Good morning. Give me a second, guys. I'll be right with you. All right, good morning. So let's get right into it here. You guys can see I have the chart of futures pulled up and the market is still rising. You'll see it's in the middle of this rising channel. Broke out a resistance here right around that 2830s area. Now it's retesting. No surprise, broke out, retesting. See if it can continue up. Next level of resistance, 2880s area. I think there's a Fed meeting today. So yeah, I got to keep an eye on some potential volatility here. What's up, Wilson? So, I don't know, getting some weird comments on YouTube. All right, so let's keep an eye on it here. We'll see if the market continues to go up. There's a potential few to look at this morning. What's up, Edward? So let's take a look at MTFB. That one's running. Let's see here. Looks like there's some news on MTFB. And you'll see right here, this one gapped up to almost $3 in the pre-market. And you'll see there's a gap on the daily right between $2.19 to $2.70 right here. So you can see it went above the gap. Now it's coming back down, retesting it. So see if you can continue above that $3 area. If so, there's a base of this gap at 327. If it can continue up, obviously you have this huge gap to be able to potentially go up and want to fill. So we'll see if this can break above 3 and then go into the gap right around 327 and continue up. Patrick, I'll look at AMD in a moment, bud. Next up would be Solo. You can see Solo has kind of a cup and handle on the daily. You can see this one broke up to 431. Pre-market came back to the 9 EMA. So we'll see if this can continue upwards, break above that 430 level, and continue up kind of in this cup and handle position, stay above that $4 and potentially go up. I'd say look at like 450 and then also like $5 area resistance, 450 and $5, and then obviously from there you got these two high wave candles. Got to keep an eye on. What else we got here? FCSC. You can see this one is gapping up pre-market to 235. That puts you right over here. If it can get above 235, keep an eye on about that 260-ish area. And if it can get above that 260, this thing can maybe potentially rip. So keep an eye on this one. It's kind of doing a, I don't know what you want to call this pattern right now. Kind of maybe like a bull pennant-ish, kind of flag-ish, maybe ascending triangle-ish. Got to watch and see. See if it can continue above. GLG. We have... So this one gapped up to about 413 pre-market, way up here. Now it's pulling back all the way down to, what's it, 260-ish areas. Yeah, so this one's really falling back now. So it's kind of in this down channel now. You want to see it, obviously, if you're bullish on it, continue and break out, but it's still failing here. So this is what I'd keep on the peripheral, just to the side and see. Hey, Patrick, thank you. Yes, it is Trade Ideas. We share our trade ideas each day right at bullishbears.com. If you look under scanners, Trade Ideas Daily Gappers, we post it right here, updated daily for you guys. And then those who are members, we share our live trade idea screen share link for those who are members of our service. So you could see our scanner live as well. But we post the gappers right over in here. So next step, we've got TYHT. So TYHT has this high wave candle on the daily from yesterday. Pot stock, I believe. I think it is. Looks like it's a cannabis pot stock. You'll see yesterday gapped up to $2 pre-market. Kind of dumped down. But now I got to look and see. This might be kind of doing a bull pennant or a flaggish pattern. If it can get above that 150s area, you know, keep an eye on it. See if it'll continue up. These pot stocks, they have a history of obviously pumping and dumping, so this thing can move pretty quickly. If it can continue above pre-market high, watch next up over the 150s, probably the $2-ish area. So MTFB looks pretty decent, and Solo and FCSC are right near the 9 EMA, so see if those hold and continue up. And again, TYHT, see if that can break above the 150s. Look at that $2-ish area as resistance. Let me take a look at AMD for you. So AMD held its highs yesterday at close. You'll see it right there on that $26 area, and pre-market up to $26.78. So this one you got to be careful of right now. So it might be building a head, left shoulder, right shoulder. It might be doing head and shoulders-ish pattern. You can see some support right around that 26.25 and then previous close. So got to watch with this one. You want to see this, if you're bullish on it, get above that 26.78 and continue upwards. You could also see some support right down here at this 25.50-ish area as well. So just the pattern pre-market is, you can even see head, left shoulder, right shoulder. So be careful. It might be doing a head and shoulders at the moment. Any other ones you guys want me to take a look at? I'll give it a moment. I'll give you guys a couple more minutes and see if there's a chart you guys want me to look at. No problem, Patrick. Yeah, watch AMD at open. Just again, you can see right here, you have a head, left shoulder, right shoulder here, or head, left shoulder, right shoulder here, neckline coming down right over in that 2620s area. ESNT, let me take a look. So you can see yesterday it got up to that $48 level. So at the moment it's kind of got it's kind of got a descending or a falling, whatever you want to call this here. As down channel at the moment. So you want to see right here, you can see some support around that 45 level, 46.48 right in here. If you're bullish on this, you want to see it, the buyers come in and hold here and push price up. You can see some resistance right at this angular resistance level right up in here and these moving average lines. So got to be careful with this one. You have a big red candle from yesterday after this big green one. So this one may be reversing. Got to watch and see on it. Alts, not looking so hot. Yeah, alt's just failing, not looking so good at the moment. SMAR. So this one is at all-time highs. So this one you got to be careful of because pre-market it's at 49.47. It's at all-time highs. You have no clue what it can go up to. You have some, so 49.47, 48.96. You can see some support right, obviously previous candle 46.30 right down over in here. So this one you got to be careful of right now. This one may be reversing. So keep an eye on this. This may be failing this lower support. So keep an eye on this one because it's at all-time high. So again, really gapping up pre-market, but just be careful because there's no previous resistance level to go off of. All right, let me take a look at Walmart and wrap it up. So Walmart has a potential star pattern right here on the daily. So this may be reversing down. Yeah, it's falling below yesterday's candle right here, pre-market. So this one might be coming right back down to potentially the 9 EMA or so. So this one may be reversing as well. All right, so just be careful, guys, with the Fed news. Be careful trading today. Again, if you're not a member, you can come over to our website, bullishbears.com. You'll see right over here, if we go, I'll open an incognito window. You can start your free membership right over here, and you will get access to our free courses. So we'll send you a login and an email. You will just log in right up over here, go under education and free courses, and take our free courses right over down here, right? So lots of free courses to help you get started. And then if you want to practice and learn from others and all that good stuff, we have a day trade, swing trade, futures room. We do live streaming every single day. We also do our watch list. We post this live for everybody. So bookmark this link. Come and check it each day. You'll see our watch list. And then for those who are members, you just log in right over here and you'll see our trade alerts setups that we send out each night right over in here. And then we post our trade ideas, daily gappers in here, and share our live screen sharing link for those who are members. All right, guys, you have a wonderful rest of your day, and I'll see you all later. Enjoy.